Change your life in one day. Most people think change is loud. It's not. It starts quietly, on an ordinary day. There was nothing special about that day. No motivation, no big goals. But that day changed everything. Not because life became easy, but because one decision was made. I stopped living on autopilot. Most people try to change outcomes, money, body, success. But outcomes don't change first, systems do. So that day, I didn't change my life, I changed my rules. 1. Morning control. No phone for 1 hour. Water, shower, get dressed. Rule 2. One hard task. I choose one task. The one is was avoid. 19 minutes. No excuses. Rule 3. Environmental reset. I cleaned my space. Deleted distraction. Rule 4. Body moved. Walk, stretch, train. That day didn't make me successful. It made me honest. I realized something important. If I could live one good day, I could repeat it. Change doesn't come for big promises, it comes from standards. Don't try to change your life. Design one day and repeat it.